northern New Jersey, Cape May County in southern New Jersey, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Belle Plaine Forest to 6 miles east of Big Stone Beach, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Ocean City, Cape May, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Margate City, North Wildwood, Wildwood Crest, Woodbine, Seal City, Avalon, West Cape May, Longport, Stone Harbor, Corbin City, Cape May Courthouse, Pittsburgh, Scotch Bonnet, Beasley's Point, Seaville, and Dennisville. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile marker 0 and 29. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Cape May, and Cumberland. Here is the official net. For your protection, move to an interior room on the floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued